Greetings, Mark Brown here. As you can see right here, our PDF document. We're going to be signing it up right here. So what I wanted to do, make certain you just open it first. So I'm going to open it. Alright, so there you go. Personal information. So definitely you want to sign in the first name and last name and address. So what I want to do is come right up here. Notice it's a T, stand for text, and then notice. Just click it right here and bring up this. So right here, definitely color. When you click right here, you can actually choose the color what you want the text to write in. When you come right here, you can increase the text or decrease the text. Right here, if you notice, put across you want to delete it, you can actually come right here. Alright, so definitely I'm gonna put a name right here. I'm gonna put the name right here. Right, that's the first name. So just come right here and click and put in the last name. Just the same. That's the same. Come right here, so again, you click. You put in the address. Just like that. So when you put in the address now, you're just gonna click right down here. You're just gonna put in the nationality. Just like that. And you click out. So if and when you want to drag down some more, what you want to just click on it. You notice with the cursor right here is just become like a star. You can actually drag it in where you want it to put it. Just like that. Alright, if you want to space it out, you can just press the space bar right there. And this is exactly Outlook. You can actually send it off just the same way. So if you get it, you don't have to convert it to Microsoft Word. You can literally come right here, text. Now that, if you notice right up here, you have a drawing on just the same. You can actually draw upon it. You can actually text just the same. And this one here is read aloud. Right here, you can actually rotate it. You can print it directly from right here. And you can also save it. So hope you have learned something from this particular video here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.